Venture stock. Ticker is LYLT. And we can see here absolutely insane early morning trading hours here today. This is a $10 million market cap stock here, and it's up 186% on the day. Currently sitting at 24 cents at the time of this video. You can see here the average trading volume for this stock is around 6 million. It has done already 116 million trades today already. And just again, the early morning hours of the market, we can see here the top most and heavily traded stock on the market today, 111 million trades of LYLT stock. You can see here, we'll just refresh this, right? 11157, right? Let's just refresh this. This is like literally, I've had this tab open for 5 minutes. 11750. So we're looking at 200,000 more trades in just a couple of minutes here. Again, I've never covered this stock on this channel, but last week, like maybe like Thursday or Friday, we saw LYLT stock trending pretty heavily on Yahoo Finance, and it was actually in the top like 20 here on FinViz as far as one of the most heavily traded stocks. So let's just get right into this update. I kind of want to just talk about this, go over a few things. Don't want to waste anyone's time. Let's get right into it. So you can see your Loyalty Ventures. I mean, definitely as far as what the company does itself, I would say is not too important for kind of what we're looking at here as far as making money, specifically like on this type of stock here. This is obviously like a company where, what it doesn't really matter here, right? We're looking at what is happening here. We can see your Loyalty Venture stock is taking off Monday despite the company preparing to delist shares from the NASDAQ, right? We've talked about this before, which I wanted to share this tweet here. This is the Bankruptcy King, Tyrone Lopez on Twitter. Go ahead and give him a follow. Great resource here for all things on like bankruptcy type plays and things like that. But you can see here, he tweets this out. Again, shout out to this person, Tyrone Lopez __, I believe, or maybe one underscore. LYLT re-added this chapter 11 play at 22 cents for a swing, stop loss under $20 or 20 cents. Sorry, managed to minimize my loss from the first swing. Now that the official filing is out, it can only bounce from here. So Loyalty Ventures recently announced bankruptcy filings and plan to delist from the Nasdaq Global Select Market, and that was back on 10 days ago. You can see here LYLT and certain subsidiaries filed voluntary petitions for relief under Chapter 11 of Title 11 of the United States Code, which is, obviously bankruptcy code here. And then the company has notified NASDAQ of its intent to voluntarily delist its common stock, and we will file a notice on Form 25 relating to such delisting with the SEC on or about March 20th, which is currently today. Now, we're talking about a bankruptcy type of play here where, you should not be throwing a significant bag at this. You should not be trying to change your life with this. But it is already up 186%, so this could already have been the run here. Again, this stock, in my opinion, won't go past 40 cents. So we're taking a look back at this article here. It looks like the rise in price movement today comes from traders pumping up the company's shares prior to the NASDAQ delisting. That makes sense as investors sometimes see a company's stock go through extreme volatility alongside bankruptcy and delisting filings. In the case of LYLT stock, the company's shares are seeing more than 3.4 million shares. 3.4 million shares trade hands at the time of this writing. Strong movement in pre-market trading compared to a daily average trading volume of 6 million. Obviously, for me personally, I'm looking to not get a position here in this stock because we already saw this crazy run up. If you would have gotten a position even last week, let's take a look at the month chart here, a little bit bigger. If you got a position even just like last week, let's take a look at the last month here. We're talking about LYLT stock trading at $1, $1.95, $1.96, and then it dipped down, right? And from the 10th, from the time that it did announce that bankruptcy, it was trading at 24, 23, 23, 23, and then by Friday of last week, it was at 7 cents, right? And now it's starting to climb here again. So like I said, I think a realistic price target here for Loyalty Ventures LYLT stock, before if it does end up getting delisted from the NASDAQ, would be like around 45 cents at max, in my opinion. But again, just wanted to share this with you guys. The stock market's crazy. If you think about this, what is happening here, we got a stock with a $9 million market cap, just announced Chapter 11 bankruptcy, looking to delist common shares from the NASDAQ, and it's up 152% with well over 100x its trading volume average. So let me know in the comments below how you guys feel about LYLT stock. Drop a like, hit the subscribe button, and as always, you guys have a great day.